Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact model and ordering the correct home button assembly. Mismatched parts will fail. Once parts arrive, power down the phone and remove the SIM tray right away to avoid damage. Make sure you have the proper drivers and tools on a clean, static-free surface. A magnetic mat keeps screws organized. You'll want steady lighting and a T5 or P2 screwdriver depending on the phone. This prevents stripping screws when you begin opening the device. Once done opening the phone, heat the adhesive seam to 60-80 degrees C and use picks to lift the display evenly. This prevents bending or cracking. Make sure to unscrew and store each bracket by location, then disconnect the battery before touching the home button flex cable. Carefully unsnap the home button bracket and lift the flex cable. You need steady fingers because the ribbon can tear. If the button is secured with adhesive, apply low heat and use a thin card to separate it. You install the new button by aligning it precisely in its recess, then press the bracket down and reconnect the flex cable. Incorrect alignment causes poor response. Reattach the battery and close the phone using fresh adhesive or pre-cut strips, then reinstall screws in their original positions. Power on and test the home button through system diagnostics or short presses. If it doesn't respond, make sure the flex connector is fully seated and free of debris. Reseat the connector and retest before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.